Have you ever looked at the final video sent to you by the video production team and thought, this is not what I asked for? Hi, I'm Ravneet Oberoi, founder of French Fries Films. Let's talk about how sometimes you receive videos that do not meet your expectations. The reason behind this can be the difference in visualization of the video between the agency and the video production team. Let's see how you can make sure you always get the video you expected. Insist on having a proper script in hand, complete with elements like characters, objectives, storyline, and locations. A well-crafted script helps bring the story to life in the head of the reader. And as long as the story looks the same in your head as it looks for the agency, you're off to the right start. The locked story should have a shot breakdown, which simply put is what is happening in a shot and what elements will support that. A shot-wise breakdown simplifies everything so that the team stays on track, sticks to the message, and can visualize how the film will come together. Also makes it easy for you to suggest changes before the final go-ahead. The budget should match the scale of the film. The video producers love shooting guerrilla styles, but only when it is the demand of the story. For most cases, a well-planned shoot requires a properly scrutinized budget. Does the gear you have chosen fulfill the requirements of the script? You need specific gear, which camera, what lenses and filters to get a specific result. If you need a good aerial shot, for example, you probably need a crane or a drone to achieve the shot you're hoping for. If you're unsure of your requirements, it's best to get a technical test done to find what gear is suitable. The experience of the video production team makes a huge difference. You can perfect your script and your gear requirements, but only when you hand these over to an experienced video production team will you get the best result and see your video come to life as planned on a paper. Do you have any learnings to share that have helped you ensure that the video you receive lives your expectations? Would love to hear them in the comments below. This is Ravneet Oberoi signing off. See you in my next video.